Hello, everyone. I know you haven't seen me in a while, but it's me, Isla. And I look a lot like Krista, yes, but you can tell that I'm Isla and Krista is Krista because Krista likes having black eyebrows and mine are pink. I love the color pink. It's a really cool color. But yeah, today we're going camping, so yeah. Oh, get it. Oh, wait, it might be the surprise from May. Alright, May, I'll be right back. Oh, by the way, guys, our house is getting remodeled, so that's cool. Hi, Isla, come on in, but be quiet. Okay. I'm so excited to see her. How much has she grown and stuff? Yeah, this way. You stay right here, okay? Okay. May, I have a surprise for you. What's the surprise, Questa? I'm super excited to see it. What is it? What is it? Well, calm down. You put your tree on the table. Okay. And let's go over here. Okay. Surprise! Iowa! Iowa, I haven't seen you in so long. How are you? How have you been? What have you been up to? Why did you leave? Oh my gosh, May. I missed you too. But the reason why I left is because I wanted to find my own house and start my own life. Without you and your sister. Oh. Well, I'm so glad to see you. I miss you so much and why are you here? We're going camping, May. See, I packed all of our things. Oh, cool. Yeah, I'm also gonna pack my book. And we're ready to all go. Yeah. Let's go. So we're going to this park right here in Lettuce Lands. Okay, so we're here. And hey, look, there are horses over there and people. Hey, you want to go horseback riding with me? Yeah, do I ever. All right, well, you guys go and I'll set up camp. Okay, we'll go and you can set up the campsite and yeah. Okay. There's stuff here. Alright, let me set up though. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Let's go across the brook. Yay! We can ride to Krista. Hello, you guys. Would you like to ride the horses? Yeah, can we meet them and get to know them and stuff? Of course you can. This one is Shadow, and he's a sweetheart. And then this one is Princess. She's a little more sassy and violent, but she's nice around little ones. She just doesn't like loud noises. Oh, and what's that one's name? Well, this here is Prince, and he's a sweetheart too. They're all really sweethearts. It's just that this one's a little, like wild when it comes to loud noises. So you guys can ride those two if you like. Okay, I'll ride Shadow. Good idea, because Princess is a little unsafe. You? Let's go this way. Yeehaw. Oh, yeehaw, I guess. Yeehaw. This way now. Okay. Alright, y'all, this way. This is the way to the campsite where we have free items that you may use. Why am I in the back now? Don't worry, May. You're not anymore. Alright, everyone. You may get off now. Come on, Prince. Let's lead these horses home. Bye. Thank you. Yeah, thanks a lot. Is that a reindeer? Oh, yeah. We see them around here all the time. I'll see you later. Bye. Hey, how'd it go? Oh, it went good. That's cool. Well, come sit around the fire and we'll eat some food. I'm not that hungry. Alright, May, well, I'll get you something. Alright, the chicken's done. We need... Here, do you just want bread? Yeah, I'll just take the bread. Okay. I'll eat some bread too. Here's your water. Thanks. I'll make a tofu sandwich. You can have the chicken. Okay. Alright, my food's done. Are you thirsty, May? Yeah, a little. Alright, here. Alright, we'll put that back in there. Once upon a time, there was a green goblin, and he lived in a dark cave. And, yeah, so he lived in a dark cave, and he heard a noise outside, so he went to go see it, and it was a bear! Oh, that was scary a little. Yeah, but I think it's time for bed. Okay. Here, you put that on. You can lay right there, and I'll put this book away. Right there. Good night, Krista. Good night. I'll turn the fire out. Get my sleeping bag. Got it. Good night, world. It's morning. Not that cold anymore. Let me put that away. Guys, wake up, it's morning. It's still a little cold. But it is morning, so I better take this off. So what do you want to do, May? Swim. Swim? Okay, let's get our swim stuff on. That's Isla's stuff, and that's our stuff. Let's see. Here's your bathing suit. I'll put that in there, and let me go get changed, okay? Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm done. Cool, let's go swimming. Alright, come on. Yay! Can we go kayaking? I want to go kayaking. Alright, let's go kayaking then. Do you know how to paddle? No. Alright, well, you're gonna have to get in the front then. I need help. Hello there. Hi, can you help us, please? Yes, I can. Here, ready? Yes. Alright. There you go. Enjoy. Thank you. Come on, let's go swimming. Look, there's a waterfall. I know. Isn't this fun? Yeah. We can go anywhere. Oh, yeah, we can. Wee. 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 I think it's time to go out and wake up Isla so that we can go out. Actually, that we can pack up and go do something else, like go to the water park. Okay. Come on, let's get out. Alright, you had fun? Yeah, thank you. No problem. See you later. Bye. Come on, May. I'm coming. Come on, let's go. Isla. Isla, wake up. Guys. It's still a little cold. Yeah, it is a little cold, but it's time to go. So we're gonna get dressed and, yeah. Okay. me too. I'm gonna go get dressed too. Alright, all done. Are you guys done? Yeah, we're all done. Alright, let's go then. Okay. Come on. Yay, we're going home. We're not going home yet. The fun is still on. Is that a rabbit? Oh, I want to pet it. You're gonna scare it. See? It's running up. Wait, where'd it go? I think it climbed all the way up. Like, up top of those rocks. Oh. Yeah, but at least this place is really nice. Like, it's beautiful. It's also in woods. Yeah, come on, let's go though. Alright. Gotta cross the brook. Oh, hello. Hi there. You were the ones from yesterday. I saw you too. You guys are just the nicest. Oh, hold on, Prince. Hey, my name is Jordan. And I'm riding this horse. My name is Henry. And my name is OJ. You're riding the deer? Cool! I wanted to, but I couldn't because it was hiding. That's so neat. Oh, well, let's go. We gotta go. See you later, though. Bye!